Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make this polka dot tulle face mask. To make a face mask pattern I'll be using A4 paper. I have folded this A4 paper in half as you can see here, and this lace. I'm placing this lace so this pattern goes in the middle of that crease on the A4 paper, placing it in the middle there, and I'm tracing a pattern from this lace like that. And when I have finished, I will join this line with other line there, approximately 2 centimeters wide. Next I'm cutting my pattern out of this paper. And here's my prepared pattern, looks like that. Next I will cut my pattern out of this tulle fabric, and it stretches this way. I'm placing my new pattern on top of this polka dot tulle fabric and I'm pinning it down. I am folding this pattern and tulle fabric in half like that, and I'm cutting my new pattern out of this tulle fabric. And here's my new pattern cut out of this tulle fabric. Next I will use this lace trimming, which looks like that. I'm cutting this lace trimming in the middle in half like that. And I will sew this lace trimming all around the edges like that, all around the face mask. Now I'll sew this lace trimming on this tulle fabric edges all around. I'm placing this lace trimming on the edge there, approximately 4 millimeters on the edge there, and I'm sewing a top stitch and I'm attaching the lace trimming and tulle fabric together like that. When I have reached this pattern side here, I'm cutting this lace trimming off on the edge of that pattern side there, sewing that together, and I'm placing this lace trimming on top of the other lace trimming, and I'm continuing sewing this lace trimming on tulle fabric. And this is how it looks. I'll repeat the same on other edge. When I reach pattern corner there, I cut the lace trimming and I reposition this lace trimming, and I continue sewing this lace trimming all around this tulle fabric edge like that, and I repeat the same on all pattern corners. Lace trimming is sewed on all edges now. Next I will iron this pattern. And here's my prepared pattern, looks like that. Next I will sew on these satin ribbons. These ribbons are 52 centimeters by 2 centimeters. First I'm burning edges on these ribbon ends so they don't fray. Next I'll pin these ribbons on face mask edges. So I'm pinning this ribbon on edge there, and other ribbon on other edge there, and I'll sew these ribbons on face mask edges there and there. Now I'll sew on these ribbons on face mask edges. I'm sewing 5mm straight stitch, cutting off excess fabric next to the seam like that, folding this ribbon like that to other side, and I will sew another 5mm seam. And my first ribbon is sewed on and it looks like that. So this is the right side, and I will repeat same on other ribbon edge there. And here's my finished face mask. All the lace trimming is sewed all around the edges, and the satin ribbon is sewed on each end of this face mask, looks like that, on both sides. Looks nice and neat. I will add all materials which I used to make this face mask on a description box. If you have any questions how I made this face mask, please comment down below in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.